Welcome, everyone. Oh, amazing. 28 men signed up for this course. So look at the faces around because you're going to see these men for the next 5 or 6 weeks. And together we're going to go through a journey that's going to be very profound, believe it or not. We will learn about what yoga is all about, and we will do some physical practice, but not just that. We will start connecting in a different way and understand this relationship we have with our body, with our mind, with our thoughts, and our environment. So this is great, man. I was thinking when I put the course out there, I thought I might get 4 or 5 men coming along. So I did so much marketing, and I went to I gave away 3,000 flyers on the streets. And your wife saw it. So this is your forms. Some of you fill out this form, and I know that for some of you, your wife fill out this form. And that's okay. And I like to acknowledge, your partners, your wives who step up for you to be here. And they did it not because they think there is something wrong with you, but because they have discovered something that has helped them in their journey, and they see that there is something here for you as well. So, acknowledge them today when you go home, because they actually did something to help you out, right? So here we have a lot of, I went through your forms. We have people from 31 years old to 67. So a wide variety of men from different professions, I've read all of it. Pretty much every single trade and profession is in the room here. So network is a good space to talk to people, And purpose for being here. Some of you are here for pure flexibility, but most of you are here for something more than just moving the body, which is find a deeper connection, or you might be going through something right now and you want to learn how to manage this better, how to increase your well-being and health. And that's what yoga is all about. Yoga is the first ever personal development practice that was developed about 10,000 years ago. By the way, yoga was developed by men for men. And men were the only ones allowed to practice yoga. And this happened for 9,800 and 950 years. Only in the last 50 years, women has been doing this stuff. So this is a male practice. It has always been, it will always be. Why? Because we are the ones who are stiff. They don't need that much. We are the ones who need to do this work for the body and for things like that. So, welcome everyone. I really want to acknowledge you for being here, for stepping up. I know it's uncomfortable to come to a place like this, and all of a sudden, some of you have never done something like this before. So, as profound as it is, what we're going to do here for the next 5 weeks, make sure that we have fun, and we connect, and we make something more than just coming here to please someone else, or to tick the box. Because this is an opportunity for you for growth, for connection, for discover something within yourself that is beyond what you might have seen before, okay? So welcome.